Hello students, we will find median here. In the basic formula, if one line given in the question, in first we will arranging given values in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order, you know that a small value first and greater and greater and greater. And then if given data number of term which is odd, आपका जो डाटा गिवन है उसमें ऑड नंबर्स के टर्म्स गिवन, टर्म्स जो है वो ऑड नंबर है, तो आप फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे मीडियन n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय टूथ टर्म, n number of data. If given data number of term which is even, then we will use the formula to find the median n by tooth term and n by tooth plus 1 term divided by 2. In 17.6 question number first, given datas, arranging the data in ascending order, we will find 13 first in first and 19, 20, 25, 26, 28, 33, 34, 34 and 36. Number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of data n is equal to 10. 10 is even number, so we will use the formula to find median n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. n is equal to 10, 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. 5. We will find 5th term. 5 plus 1, 6th term divided by 2. 5th term here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term and 6th term. It is 5th, it is 6th. So 26 plus 28 upon 2. Median 454 upon 2 is equal to 27. So m is equal to 27. The median of this question is 27. You know that we will arranging this data in ascending order. Nineteen, 25, 30, 31, 32, 35, 48, 51 and 59. Number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. n is equal to 9. It is odd number, so we will use formula to find median n plus 1 divided by 2th term. n is 9 plus 1 upon 2 term, 10 upon 2, 5th term. So our median is 5th term. 5th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 32. So 32 is a answer of first. if 25 is replacing by 52, then we will start the solution of this, arranging the data in ascending order. So 19, 25 cancel, so 30, 31, 32, 35, 30, 48, 51 and 52, 59. Same case, number of data is 9, so we will use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2th term 10, 5th term, but here 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is the answer of first and it is answer of second, 35. If we replace 25 by 52, our median is 35. In this question, frequency is given and find the median. So in this question, frequency given, so we will find CF. CF means cumulative frequency. It is called CF. We will find CF in this process. First 2 and second frequency is 8. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 and third is 16. So 10 plus 16 is equal to 26 and 26 plus 26, 52. 52 plus 20, 72. 72 plus 16, 88. 88 plus 7, 95 and 95 plus 4 is 99. And after it we will find n by 2. N by 2. N means summation of f. It is also represented by capital N. 99. 99 divided by 2. 49.5. So M is CF just above 49.5 is 52. 49.5 से जस्ट अबव क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड करेंगे आप, तो जस्ट अबव, इट इज नॉट, इट इज नॉट, इट इज नॉट, इट इज यस 52 whose corresponding variable, whose corresponding variable is our median. So corresponding variable is 30. So M is equal to 30. It is the formula to find cumulative frequency if frequency is given. मीडियन फाइंड करने के लिए फॉर्मूला है, अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन है तो फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन है तो आप जस्ट अबव फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड करेंगे और जस्ट अबव फ्रीक्वेंसी का जो आपका वेरिएबल है, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग वेरिएबल, वो आपका आंसर होगा. Again in question number 4, frequency is given, so we will find cumulative frequency 10, 10 plus 35, 45, 45 plus 27, 72, 72 plus 17, 89, 89 plus 6, 95, 95 plus 3, 98 and 200. So summation of f is also 100. We will find n by 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So our answer is CF just above of 50. It is not, it is not, it is yes. Whose corresponding variable is 2. So M is 2. So M is equal to CF just above 72, whose corresponding variable is 2. So M is 2. Median, our median, required median is 2. Again the question number 5, we will find cumulative frequency. 14 plus 28 is 42. 42 plus 33 75. 75 plus 30 105 plus 20 plus 125 plus 15 140. 140 13 plus 13 153 and plus 7 160. So the addition of the frequency is also 160. Here we will use the formula for finding median. CF just above n by 2. In first we will find n by 2. 80 just above 80, whose corresponding variable is 80 से just above, it is not, it is not, it is not, it is yes. So just above cumulative frequency is 105 and whose corresponding variable is 35. So required median is 35. It is the answer of question number 5.